Hey explorers! Welcome to BZBumbleBee, where learning is always an adventure. Today, we're going on a wild journey to discover how animals survive in the world around them. So, what is an animal? Animals are living things like dogs, cats, birds, bugs, and even human. Animals breathe air and also eat food, just like you do. They need food to grow and stay strong. Unlike plants, animals have to hunt or search for their food. To do this, animals have the ability to move, such as run, swim, fly, or crawl. As animals eat food, they also grow. They start out small, like a baby, and then get bigger. Now that you know what makes something an animal, let's talk about what animals need to survive. Just like you and me, animals have some basic needs. Animals need food to give them energy and help them grow. They also need water to stay alive and healthy. They get water from lakes, rivers, ponds, and streams. Animals also need oxygen to breathe. Even if it's a fish under the sea or a worm beneath the ground, all animals need oxygen from the air. Finally, animals need a safe place to live, sleep, and hide from danger, like a nest, burrow, cave, or house. Every animal, from tiny ants to giant whales, needs these things to live. But how do they get them? That's where things get interesting. Animals have amazing body parts that help them survive. We call these adaptations. Let's look at these elephants. Can you spot their trunks? The elephant's trunk is a combination of its nose and upper lip. Their trunk has an excellent sense of smell and can detect water from far away. The trunk is also super sensitive, and elephants can use it to feel objects and explore their surroundings. Elephants also use their trunk to breathe, pick up food, drink water, and even hug other elephants. Their trunk is strong enough to pull down trees, but also gentle enough to pick up a single blade of grass. Isn't that amazing? Another special body part that elephants have is their huge ears. On hot days, elephants flap their ears back and forth. It's like turning on a fan that's built right into their heads. This helps elephants cool down their whole body. So nice. Next, let's take a look at another animal. Do you know what this one is? That's right. It's an owl. Owls have several adaptations that help them become excellent hunters, especially in the dark. Owls have a special round face called a facial disc. It works like a funnel, helping to catch sounds and send them straight to the owl's ears. This gives owls incredible hearing. They also have very large eyes that gather more light, giving them excellent night vision. Speaking of eyes, did you know that owls can't move their eyes like we can? Their eyes can't look up, down, or side to side because they are fixed in place. But owls have super flexible necks, which let them tilt and turn their heads to see in any direction. In fact, an owl can turn its head about 270 degrees. That's almost all the way around. Whether it's daytime or nighttime, the owl's powerful vision and hearing, along with its sharp talons and hooked beak, make it an amazing hunter. Next, let's talk about a very interesting adaptation that many animals have. This special ability is called camouflage. Imagine you're playing hide and seek in a forest. If you're wearing bright red clothes, it's easy for your friends to find you. But if you're wearing green and brown, like the trees and bushes, it's much harder to see you. That's exactly what these lizards are doing. They're using camouflage to blend in with their surroundings, making it harder for other animals to see them. Here are some more examples of how animals use camouflage. Can you spot the caterpillar or the praying mantis hiding in the leaves? What about the owl in the tree? Or the frog in the pond? All around you, animals are adapting to their environment in many different ways. Now that you've learned so much about animals, let's see if you know the answers to these questions. 1. Why do animals need shelter? A. To stay safe and protected from weather and predators. B. So they can decorate it. C. To store food for people. The correct answer is A. To stay safe and protected from weather and predators. 2. Which of these is not an adaptation? A. Elephants have large ears to help fan and cool down their bodies. B. Owls have large eyes to catch more light and see better in the dark. C. Lizards need air to survive. The correct answer is C. Lizards needing air to survive is not an example of an adaptation. It's actually an example of what animals need to live. 3. What is camouflage? A. A type of food animals eat. B. A way animals make loud sounds. C. A way animals blend in with their environment to hide. The correct answer is C. Camouflage is how animals blend in with their environment to hide. Great job! That's it for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate it. Until next time, goodbye.